Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix playables not showing on YouTube using a Windows computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com, then sign into your account. Then clear your browser cache and cookies by going to your browser settings, then privacy and security, and selecting clear browsing data. Then make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, because outdated browsers can cause YouTube features to malfunction. After that guys, disable any browser extension or ad blockers that might interfere with YouTube playback. Finally, refresh YouTube and click it and check if playables are now showing correctly. If the problem persists, try accessing YouTube in another browser. And that's that guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.